So Kyle, you can't help but miss that there's a lot of anxiety around fear around this technology. How are we confronting that in the program?
This is the whole reason for the program. There's so much uncertainty, both from like what is AI, the component pieces to it, but then also how do I deploy it, and what does that mean for me, what does that mean for people, what does that mean for everybody? I mean, these are the questions that we always get at any event or at any session. Executives and folks just want to know.
Yep.
And so this is exactly what it is what are the human factors that drive artificial intelligence, and then how do we take control of it? So it feels very much like AI is happening to us. It's time for us now as leaders of companies and organizations to be able to say, okay, here are the pieces, here's what we as people would like for these technologies to do for us, rather than it happening to us.
That's great. I mean, what I love about bringing SU and INSEAD together is you've got that deep understanding of the technology and its potential for impact. And here at INSEAD, we really think through the strategy in the organization of how to go from the technology to that amazing impact that you guys talk about.
Most definitely.